In order to get the best possible results, we recommend to first watch the training video. We will give you some awesome suggestions on how to maximize Speechelo. It only takes a few minutes. Make your videos look more professional. Sell more from ads than ever. Scale your ads up to 23 languages. Avoid paying thousands of dollars in voiceovers. The biggest woe of digital marketers today seems to be putting out good quality videos on YouTube. Many of us have apprehensions about putting ourselves out there and recording a video with our own face and voice. However, it has become easier now. All you need is the Speechelo tool to generate live-like voiceovers for your videos. Step 1. Paste your text. Step 2. Choose a language and a voice. Step 3. Generate your TTS and download in seconds. Speechelo features. Transform any text into speech. Male and female voices included. The only text-to-speech engine that adds inflections in the voice. Works in English and 23 other languages. Over 30 human-sounding voices. Read the text in 3 ways: normal tone, joyful tone, serious tone. Say goodbye to expensive voiceover artists and unreliable freelancers. Works with any video creation software: Camtasia, Adobe Premiere, iMovie, Audacity, etc.